Hey everyone, this is a Sharp MX4100 inner finisher, which is an MX FNX9 inner finisher for the Sharp 4100 MX4100. Also applies to the 5001, 3100, and the 2600 as well. This machine is pretty old, been introduced back in 2009, so it may still be out there in the field, and you may hear a loud squealing noise or squeak coming from the inner finisher exit area. And this is the repair. Here's a sample of the noise. That's that loud squealing, screeching noise coming out of the finisher. Open up the finisher, take a Phillips stubby screwdriver and remove this thumb screw that's holding in the white plastic stopper. And you're gonna just take the stopper right off and pull the finisher not all the way out of the machine, but just enough to clear the top metal panel. And you're gonna leave the finisher on the machine itself. Remove the front cover of the finisher, 2 screws, push down that green knob, jam removal knob, and the cover comes out. So from the top, there's about 7 to 8 screws that needs to be removed. And this top panel will come up and out, and the place you would want to lube is located right on the underside of that cover of that panel. So there's 4 white rollers, and I just take my multi-purpose lube and apply oil right where the roller meets the shaft at the corners, at the edges, and give it a few spins. And that majority of the time is that problem where it's causing a squeak under those, right at that 4 rollers. But since I'm in there anyway, there's a bunch of bushings, shafts, moving parts in this finisher area. I stay away, of course, from any rubber belts and rollers. I'm just applying my lube to the bushings that I can see, just for good measure. While I'm in there, I'm going to take more of a closer look at this and just apply lube to metal bushings, plastic bushings, things that are just moving in this, a lot of moving parts in this inner finisher itself. And you're going to notice there's a lot of dust and debris in this finisher itself. I'm not looking to clean every part of this thing, just looking to lube the shafts and the bushings itself. Alright, when that's done, I just go ahead and reapply and reassemble the top cover of the finisher. And then I do a test and make sure that I've got the squeak taken care of. And there it is, nice and quiet. All right, thanks guys.